So I want to let you guys know what made me quit my job and start my pool cleaning business. So about last year, about almost a year ago, I was cleaning, pools with my mentor. I wanted to shadow him, see what he was doing, see how it was. And, we were just cleaning pools all day. We finished in like 6-7 hours. It was just me and him driving around, laughing, bullshitting, and just talking, Like no stress at all. The most stress that I had for that job was going to the guard gated gate and trying to get in, trying to tell them that we're pool cleaners and we're going to clean a pool inside that community. That was the most stressful that we had for that day. And compared to everything else, that was nothing. That stress was nothing. Okay, that was out of that job, out of that career, out of that pool. That was the most stressful part of pool cleaning. Other than that, man, it was so chill. I was just cleaning the pools. He was there on the other side just watching me, making sure I was doing good. And he said I was doing good, and I just fell in love with it, working with my hands, working outside. No one really to answer to, no set schedule. You can clean the pool whenever you want during the day. So it was awesome. And I was thinking about it for a year before I really jumped into it. And my gut and my intuition was just telling me, do it. Let's do the pool. Start your own business. Let's do it. And it just kept bugging me for like a whole year. And I was like, you know what? I've been thinking about it for a whole year. Let's do it. I'm going to make a whole list of things that I need to do before I quit my job in order for me to start that business. So I made that list, and I was just I was crossing off everything like left and right. It was just clicking. It was just clicking. Like there was no issues at all. So I took that as a sign. And I took me thinking about it for a whole year as another sign. So I was like, let's go. Let's do it. Let's go all in. So there you go. Last week, quit my job, going all in on the pool. People are calling me left and right. But I told them, I'm going to need to take a 1 week break. And then after that, let's go hardcore. All right, let's go hard. So that's a little short story about what made me want to quit my job and start the pool cleaning business. Catch you guys in the next video.